Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a topwater popper. To start, select a popper size that matches your target fish, usually between 2 and 5 inches. Pair this with a medium light to medium heavy rod, around 6 to 7 feet long. Spool your reel with 10 to 20 pound monofilament or braided line. This setup ensures you have the right gear for an effective topwater presentation, making your fishing experience more successful and enjoyable. Once your gear is ready, cast your popper near promising cover like lily pads or submerged logs. Let it sit motionless for 5 to 10 seconds after landing, mimicking a stunned baitfish. Then, retrieve it with short, sharp twitches of your rod tip. This action creates that signature pop and splash, attracting predatory fish. Remember to vary your retrieve speed and pause durations to keep the fish guessing. The key to success with a topwater popper lies in mastering its distinctive pop sound. This sound is crucial because it imitates a struggling or injured prey, drawing in hungry fish. Experiment with different rod tip angles and twitch strengths to create various sounds, from a subtle chug in calm waters to a louder pop when it's choppier. Observing how fish react will help you fine-tune your technique for maximum strikes. Topwater poppers shine brightest during low-light conditions, such as early mornings, late evenings, or on overcast days. Focus your efforts in shallow water, typically less than 10 feet deep, where fish are actively feeding near the surface. Calm or slightly rippled water is ideal, as heavy chop can diminish the popper's effectiveness. These lures are particularly excellent for catching bass, pike, and various panfish, offering exciting surface strikes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.